Welcome to the SolarEdge Learning Lab. This video will cover RS485 interface resistance testing. Before testing, ensure the system is fully de-energized. Turn the inverter on-off P-switch to the off position. Allow DC voltage to drop below 50 volts DC before turning off the DC safety switch, and then AC power at the breaker or disconnect. The Phoenix connector for the RS485 interface is located at the bottom of the communication board in the upper cabinet. The two RS485 interfaces are labeled on the board above the Phoenix connector. Remove the Phoenix connector and set your meter to test resistance. Measure from B to A, from B to G, and A to G. The RS485 termination is located above the RS485-1 interface. Expected resistance measurements are as follows. B to A should be approximately 310 kiloohms or 120 kiloohms if the termination dip switch is in the on position. B to G and A to G should measure 1 megaohm or more, or read open loop. If you're getting something other than the expected results, contact SolarEdge support for further guidance. Thanks for joining us in the SolarEdge Learning Lab.